It's your friendly math tutor, Miss C, here to unlock the magic of solving one-step equations involving subtraction. Our first step is to isolate x or get x by itself on its own side. The way we do this is we apply the inverse operation. So let's go ahead and get started. We have x minus 4 equals 15. I'm going to go ahead and divide my equation into two sides by putting a line down the equation through the equal sign. We've got the left side, we'll call this the left side, and we've got the right side. All right, I'm noticing that x is positive, which means that if we can get that negative 4 to go away, we will successfully have completed this step of isolating x. So the inverse operation that we are going to use, because 4 is negative or is being subtracted, is addition. The inverse operation of subtraction is addition. So to make this x plus 0, I'm going to add 4 to the left side. And in math, what we do to one side of an equation, we do to the other. I'm now going to add 4 to this side. Everything in math is about balance. All right. So now we're going to double check that we applied our inverse operation correctly. If we did it correct, we should have x plus 0. So let's check that. Negative 4 plus 4 is in fact 0, which means we applied our inverse correctly. X plus 0 is x. And now we just need to say 15 plus 4 is 19. And we have successfully solved this equation. We should do a quick check. Does 19 minus 4 equal 15? Yes, it does. We solved our equation correctly. Let's do one more. This one looks a little different. I'm going to divide my equation again into the left side and the right side so that we remember what we do to one side, we do to the other. I'm going to check out my x. It is positive. That means if we can get the negative 8 to go away, we're going to have isolated x successfully on the left side and we'll be set to go. So negative 8 is the same thing as subtracting 8. So the inverse operation of subtracting 8 or dealing with negative 8 is to add 8. So if I add 8 to the left side, I also have to add 8 to the right side. Let's do a check that we applied our inverse operation correctly. Remember, it has to equal 0. So does negative 8 plus 8 equal 0? It does, which means we did that correctly. 0 plus x is x. X equals 5 plus 8, which is 13. All right, we could do a quick check, and we should do a quick check. Negative 8 plus 13 does, in fact, equal 5. So this equation is solved correctly. Thank you for taking the time to unlock the magic of solving one-step equations involving subtraction with me. Make sure to subscribe for more math videos. Till next time.